United States, tallest mountain, Mountain McKinley. China, longest wall, the Great Wall of China. India, largest democracy by population. Russia, Russia has the world's largest squirrel related collection. Brazil, longest river, the Amazon River. Canada, most lakes in the world. Australia, largest coral reef, the Great Barrier Reef. Mexico, most UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the Americas. Argentina, widest avenue, Avenida 9 de Julio. Indonesia, most active volcanoes. South Africa, oldest meteor scar. Japan, longest life expectancy. Germany, largest economy in Europe. UK, longest reigning monarch Queen Elizabeth II. Italy, most UNESCO World Heritage Sites. France, most visited country by tourists. Spain, second most UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Saudi Arabia, largest oil reserves. Turkey, crossroads of Europe and Asia. Iran, oldest civilization, Mesopotamia. Thailand, most Buddhist temples in the world. Egypt, oldest civilization, ancient Egypt. Vietnam, longest war, the Vietnam War. Nigeria, most populous country in Africa. Pakistan, youngest Nobel laureate Malala Yousafzai. Bangladesh, most densely populated country. Philippines, texting capital of the world. South Korea, highest internet speed. Colombia, most imars in the world. Poland, largest castle, Malbork Castle. Greece, birthplace of democracy. Sweden, highest level of gender equality. Norway, happiest country in the world. Finland, best education system in the whole world. Denmark, highest bicycle usage. Iceland, cleanest air and water. Switzerland, highest quality of life. Netherlands, lowest country in Europe. Belgium, most chocolate shops per square meter. Austria, home to the oldest zoo, Tiergarten Schönbrunn. Ireland, most pubs per capita. Portugal, oldest bookstore, Bertrand Bookstore. Czech Republic, highest beer consumption per capita. Hungary, oldest subway line, Budapest Metro. Romania, Palace of the Parliament, largest administrative building. Chile, longest country in the world. Peru, home to Machu Picchu. New Zealand, first country to grant women the right to vote. Venezuela, highest waterfall, Angel Falls. Costa Rica, highest life expectancy in Central America. Kenya, birthplace of humanity where the oldest human fossils were found. Tanzania, home to Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's tallest mountain. Ethiopia, one of the world's oldest civilization. Morocco, largest traditional market, the Medina of Marrakesh. Algeria, largest country in Africa. Nepalia, home to the tallest mountain on the world, Mount Everest. Switzerland, safest country in the world. Singapore, cleanest city. Hong Kong, most skyscrapers. Taiwan, world's largest building, Taipei 101. South Sudan, newest country in the world. Ukraine, breadbasket of Europe. Iraq, cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia. Israel, highest number of museums per capita. Lebanon, oldest continuously inhabited city, Byblos. Jordan, hosts Petra, a new seven wonder. Qatar, richest country in the world by GDP per capita. Kuwait, highest valued currency. United Arab Emirates, tallest building, Burj Khalifa. Bhutan, only country in the world to measure gross national happiness. Maldives, lowest country in the world. Sri Lanka, first country to have a female prime minister. Malaysia, tallest twin towers, Petronas Towers. Myanmar is a home to the world's longest teak bridge, Yuban Bridge. Cambodia, largest religious monument, Angkor Wat. Laos, most bombed country per capita due to the Vietnam War. Brunei, one of the richest country in the world. East Timor, newest sovereign state in Asia. Laos, most bombed country per capita due to the Vietnam War. Brunei. Afghanistan, home to Herat, one of the world's oldest cities. Iran, second largest natural gas reserves. Syria, one of the oldest inhabited cities. Damascus. Yemen, oldest skyscraper city. Shibam. Oman is the oldest independent state in the Arab world. Uzbekistan, land of the Silk Road. Turkmenistan, home to the Gates of Hell, a natural gas field. Kazakhstan, largest landlocked country in the world. Kyrgyzstan, the only country in the world to have an embassy in its own country. Tajikistan, home to the world's second tallest flagpole. Mongolia, least densely populated country in the world. Fiji, home to the international date line.